Introducing the 2022 Ram 1500.
Under the hood, you'll find an 8-cylinder engine with more than 350 horsepower, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. Four-wheel drive allows you to go places you've only imagined. A wealth of standard features means that you no longer have to sacrifice, such as remote keyless entry, an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, automatic dimming door mirrors, front fog lights, and one-touch window functionality. Power adjustable pedals allow the driver to optimize his or her driving position, enhancing visibility, comfort, and safety. Passenger security is always assured thanks to various safety features such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, traction control, brake assist, a panic alarm, an emergency communication system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control stands out as a technologically savvy innovation, keeping you better connected to the road. Come down to our dealership. Allow us to demonstrate our commitment to excellence.